Hi guys, today I'll be doing some coconut curry chicken. So as you can see here, I have some chicken cut in pieces, washed and ready for seasoning. All right, so over here I have some chopped up spring onions, some white onion, pieces of scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, my garlic and some grated ginger. All right, so I'm just going to start adding the stuff to the chicken. So here I'm adding some scallion. I'm going to add some garlic. I'm adding some white onion, the thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, now I'm adding my ginger, and I grated the ginger because I don't like when I'm eating I have to be biting pieces of ginger, so it's best grated. All right, so next I'm going to add some chicken seasoning. I'm adding some all-purpose, and a little salt. Next I'm going to add some curry, adding some curry powder. I'm going to add a few seeds of pimento. I'm now just going to rub in the seasoning. So I have the pot nice and hot, so I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil. Next I'm going to add a few pieces of garlic. Adding some curry. Now I'm just going to let the curry burn a little bit. So now I get the curry burnt a little bit, I'm going to just pour in my coconut. So guys, I'm waiting on the coconut cream to go down. So I'm just going to give it about 20 minutes so it can go right down, alright, before I add the chicken. So guys, look at it now. It is now ready for the chicken. Alright, so I'm just going to add the chicken to the pot. So guys, this is what it looks like now after I've added the chicken. So I'm just leaving it to simmer for about 15 minutes. I'm not going to cover it just yet. Alright, so I'm leaving it to simmer for a while. Okay guys, so the chicken has been cooking for 15 minutes with no added liquid, and it is just making its own liquid. So I didn't add any liquid to it, and it's there cooking. So I'm just going to cover it for another 5 minutes and then I check back on it. So there it is, checking in again. I'm just going to add a little water to it, just a little bit. So guys, I have added some dumplings. Yes, added some dumplings to it, and now I'm going to add some seasoning. Here I have some carrots, some spring onion, thyme, sweet pepper, and some Irish. Alright, so I'm just going to add them to the pot. And then I'm going to add some more all-purpose seasoning. Alright, then I'm going to give this a stir. I'm going to cover it. 10 minutes time it will be ready. There you have it guys, coconut curry chicken with dumplings, all ready to eat. You can have this with some plain rice or whatever you choose to have it with. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, like and share. Thank you.